all started in a dusty rodeo town. Let me tell you about a story underneath those neon lights in an old rodeo arena on a wild Saturday night. There was love on the line and a buckle made of gold. Didn't know what I'd be chasing, her heart or that rodeo gold. My heart was beating faster, like a drum I couldn't tame. Fell for more than just the ride, fell for her without a name. That bull stood mean and restless, but my eyes were on her too. Caught between the danger and a dream I had to prove. Dust was rising in the air, crowd was screaming everywhere, but all I saw was her smile shining through. I rode that bull like I was chasing love. 8 seconds felt like forever above. With every jump I held on tight for that golden buckle in her eyes that night. If I fall, let it be for something true. That buckle or her heart, I had to choose. In that arena, under those lights, I found my soul in one wild ride. I looked up to the bleachers, saw her clapping just for me. Didn't know that in that moment she was all I'd ever need. In the chute I felt the pressure, fear and fire in my veins, but her love became the courage running deeper than the pain. On the back of that wild outlaw, time just slipped away. Between the dust and the danger, I heard my heart say I rode that bull like I was chasing love. 8 seconds felt like forever above. With every jump I held on tight for that golden buckle in her eyes that night. If I fall, let it be for something true. That buckle or her heart, I had to choose. In that arena, under those lights, I found my soul in one wild ride. Now that buckle's on my belt, but it don't shine like her smile, 'cause the real prize that I won was her love all the while. Yeah, in a dusty rodeo town.